This week's portion, Teitzei, contains the most mitzvot of the 613 mitzvot in any of the portions of the Torah. In fact, according to the rabbi, 72 of the 613 commandments are found in this week's portion. The commandments range from civil cases to capital crimes, and they all make sense in terms of being able to conduct a society with high regard for morality and ethics. The way that the society would be structured based on this week's portion serves as an example for other societies to follow. One of the interesting aspects of these commandments is that only one of them contains a reward for following it. And the rabbis ask the question about that. The commandment to send away the mother bird if you're looking for the birds in the nest is a very nice commandment that shows respect for animals and other creatures, that we don't want the mother to suffer as her children are being taken away. Though it reflects the idea of the primacy of human beings over other creatures, it still reflects the idea that we want to show kindness to animals. But the question is, why are we told that our days will be lengthened if we observe this commandment, as opposed to not being told that about other commandments? The rabbis, in fact, Rashi asks the question, the classic rabbinic commentator 1,000 years ago, asks the question, why this one where we're not suffering any financial loss in order to follow through on this commandment? Why is this one, does this one have this reward with it and not others? And Rashi answers the question based on the Talmud to teach a lesson that because the reward is given for this minor one, how much more so does the reward apply to more serious, difficult mitzvot to follow? So even though the reward is never mentioned for any other commandments in the Torah aside from honoring our parents, because it's mentioned for this minor one, we're supposed to learn the lesson that it applies to everything. That idea of learning from the minor commandment for the more important commandment is called Kal Vachomer in Hebrew, and is a classic way to learn lessons from the Torah. And so from this commandment of showing kindness to animals and learning the reward, we understand that a reward is given for all commandments. May we see such rewards and blessings in our lifetime. Shabbat Shalom.